What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to compare Monarch Money and Simplifi, two financial management platforms designed to streamline your money management experience. In this video, we will explore the key features, benefits, and differences between these two platforms to help you make an informed decision. First, let's dive into Monarch Money. Monarch Money is a comprehensive financial management platform that offers a wide range of features, including budgeting tools, expense tracking, investment management, and retirement planning. With its user-friendly interface and customizable dashboards, Monarch Money aims to provide users with a holistic view of their finances. Now let's start with the pros. Monarch excels in promoting savings. By prioritizing your financial goals, such as making a down payment on a house or paying off a student loan, the app encourages disciplined saving habits. For instance, you can allocate monthly contributions towards each goal, ensuring that your spending aligns with your long-term financial objectives. Another standout feature is its family-friendly functionality. Monarch allows for seamless collaboration among family members by enabling them to share budgeting dashboards. This facilitates coordinated financial planning and fosters transparency within the household. Moreover, Monarch offers extensive options for categorizing purchases, enhancing your ability to track expense effectively. Whether sorting by high-level categories, mid-level subcategories, or specific merchants, the app provides comprehensive insights into your spending patterns. Unlike some competitors, Monarch emphasizes automation and minimizes notifications, catering to users who prefer a hands-off approach to transaction management. Its accurate auto-categorization feature streamlines the processes, allowing users to create customizable rules for future transactions based on merchants or dollar amounts. Lastly, Monarch ensures a consistent user experience across web and mobile platforms. Whether accessing the app via desktop or smartphone, users encounter a uniform interface, albeit with slight variations in visualizations. This seamless transition enhances user convenience and accessibility. Now let's discuss the drawbacks of Monarch Money. One drawback of Monarch is its relatively steep learning curve. Navigating the app may require some exploration, as certain features and functionalities may not be immediately intuitive. Users may need to invest time in familiarizing themselves with the interface to maximize its utility. Additionally, Monarch is positioned as a premium budgeting app, making it pricier than some competing options. While it offers robust features and functionalities, the higher cost may deter budget-conscious individuals seeking more economical alternatives. Furthermore, users may encounter occasional navigation challenges, such as clickable elements not being readily apparent. This can lead to moments of frustration as users attempt to locate and utilize specific features within the app. Now let's talk about Simplifi. Simplifi by Quicken offers a comprehensive suite of tools to track your spending, budget effectively, and plan for the future. Its intuitive interface makes managing your finances a breeze. Now let's dive into the key advantages of Simplifi. Simplifi's clean design and intuitive layout make it easy for users of all levels to navigate and understand their finances. The app's ability to automatically categorize expenses saves users time and effort, providing accurate insights into their spending habits. Simplifi empowers users to set and track saving goals effectively, helping them stay focused on achieving their financial objectives. Simplifi offers detailed financial reports, providing users with valuable insights into their spending patterns, savings trends, and overall financial health. These reports can be customized and exported for further analysis or sharing with financial advisors. Simplifi prioritizes the security of its user financial data, employing bank-level encryption and security protocols to ensure that sensitive information remain protected at all times. This commitment to security provides users with peace of mind when using the app to manage their finances. Now, despite its advantages, Simplifi does have a couple of drawbacks to consider. While Simplifi excels in budgeting and expense tracking, its investment managing features are relatively basic compared to dedicated investment platforms. Simplifi operates on a subscription model, which may deter some users who prefer one-time payment options or free alternatives. In summary, both Monarch Money and Simplifi offer valuable tools for managing your finances, but they cater to different preferences and needs. Monarch Money provides a comprehensive suite of features for users who prefer a more in-depth approach in financial management, while Simplifi offers a simplified and intuitive experience for those who prioritize ease of use. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.